In this session, let us learn about Java HashSet. A HashSet is a collection of items where every item is unique and it is found in the Java utility packages. Create a HashSet object called cars that will store strings. Here, import the HashSet class. This is a code method. Now adding items. The HashSet class has many useful methods. For example, to add items to it, use the add method. See, now we are using add method. Cars add, cars add, cars add, cars add. See, Tata, Mahindra, Ashok Leyland, Maruti were added. In the example above, even though Maruti is added twice, it only appears once in the set because every item in a set has to be unique. Check if an item exists. To check whether an item exists in HashSet, use the contains method. See, import the HashSet. Now we are using contains method. If we write and execute this code, the result returns this. See, the true, because the Mahindra was already exists. Remove an item. To remove an item, use the remove method. See, now we are removing Tata using cars remove method. See here, cars remove. By writing and executing this code, the Mahindra, Ashok Leyland, Maruti, the Tata was removed. To remove all items, use the clear method. By using clear method and writing and executing this code, see, the result returns this. Everything was cleared. HashSet size. To find out how many items there are, use the size method. See, by using size method, we can find the how many items are there. See, Tata, Maruti, Ashok Leyland, Maruti, Mahindra, they were 4. See, by writing and executing this code, the result returns this. See, 4. Output was 4. Loop through a HashSet. Loop through the items of an HashSet with a for each loop. See, by using for each loop method, see here, by writing and executing this code, see, they were all looped. Tata, Mahindra, Ashok Leyland, Maruti, they were printed. Other types. Items in an HashSet are actually objects. In the examples above, we created items, objects of type string. Remember that string in Java is an object, not a primitive type. To use other types such as integer, you must specify an equivalent wrapper class. Integer for the other primitive types. Use boolean for boolean, character for char, double for double, etc. Use the HashSet that stores integer objects. See, now importing HashSet, create a HashSet object called numbers, add values to the set, show the which numbers between 1 and 10 are in the set. See, if we write and execute this code, the result returns this. The output was this. Okay friends, this is the end of Java part 41, Java HashSet. In next video, let us learn about another topic, Java Iterator.
If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.